Our project today is using Speciality Designer Series paper and a mini envelope to create a fun interactive card. This example uses the ribbon of courage and coordinated dies and the Speciality Designer Series paper painted with love. Undo the twine on the side and open up the little envelope to reveal a little message inside. And the message was from the ribbon of courage, sending love and hugs to you. It fits nicely in the little envelope and then can be tied at the side with the twine. We're going to make a different card today in the same format, but using the Myths and Magic suite, which is the Magical Day stamp set, the Magical Mates coordinating dies, and the Myths and Magic Designer Series paper. We need to cut a piece 3 inches by 3 inches, and down the centre, which is 1.5 inches, we're going to use the envelope punch board, lining it up with the 1.5 inches, taking the scoring tool from the side. We're going to punch it and then score it along the line. Rotating it 90 degrees, we're going to line it up with a little pointer along the line, punch it again and score. Rotate it round and do the same. I'm using 2 hands because this Designer Series paper is really nice and thick, so it needs a bit of strength. Now with the corner rounder on the side, we're going to round one of the corners. Taking the scoring tool, which acts as a bone folder, we're going to score very carefully along each one of the folds, paying particular attention right up into the corners. This will ensure a nice crisp envelope. Using our mini glue dots, and a pokey tool, we're going to pop a little glue dot into one of the 2 sides, folding them across and sealing firmly. Then the bottom flap, which has got the curve on it, we're going to put a mini glue dot in the centre and seal it together. Glue dots are perfect as they don't add any bulk. Now we're going to take a piece of the Designer Series paper, measuring 1 3/4 inches square, and a white piece of cardstock 1 1/4 inches square. This will be the little message to go inside. Decorate the outside of the envelope with whatever embellishments you want. I used some Designer Series paper and just fussy cut round one of the little unicorns. Taking a piece of dapper denim as our mat. All details are always in the description box below, so don't worry about the measurements for now. And then a piece of Designer Series paper over the top. The unicorns are absolutely beautiful because they shimmer and glitter. Then we're going to use our stitched Shapes Framelits, which are probably something I use all the time because you've got 4 ovals, circles and squares, and I use the largest and the second largest square for this project, which gives a lovely stitched border. The sentiment comes from the Magical Day, and I just fussy cut it and matted it on a piece of card. The first piece we're going to glue, and the second piece we're going to add some dimensionals. The sentiment I decided to use Tombow because I didn't want any added dimension on this piece. Now to add the twine to the envelope. The easiest way to do this and secure it while you tie it is with a dimensional just in the centre. This secures the twine so that you can tie the bow neatly and securely. Add 4 more dimensionals to the back of the little envelope and put it on the card, slightly off centre. I die cut a few of the unicorns just to finish the project and decided to just use one. I'd put it on with several dimensionals. So here are both our cards for today. Thank you so much for watching me, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye bye.